Ah! Now how would one figure out how to solve such a problem as this?
Hey there, neighbor. You need help with that equation right there?
I really do need help with this problem.
Let me help you with this problem, what you say. If you listen, then you'll solve this right away. I'm a guy who can solve this. You're a guy who needs to know how to solve this system. Eliminate variables. Elimination. Add equations. Eliminate. Solving by eliminating a variable. Now substitute and simplify. And eliminate variables this way. Just multiply this equation real quickly. You can see it's easy. Eliminate and divide and substitute, and you'll find the y value, the x value.
Elimination. Multiply. Eliminate. Solving by eliminating variables. You divide and substitute. Every day is like survivals. In my songs algebra class, every day is like survival. It is hard, but I'll keep going.
Hot dogs and 2 sodas. They cost $10. 3 hot dogs and 1 soda. They cost $13. Elimination. Multiply. Eliminate. Find the price of each item. You divide, then substitute.
Eliminations. It calculates and it compares. You can use this to compare different rates. The rate of speed, the rate of cost. Eliminations. You multiply, eliminate. Solving systems of linear equations.